Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. If you're a hot rodder, maybe you're a racer, or if you're a builder, you've probably bought a crate engine before, and you know once you get it home, there's a whole lot more work to do. But Doug, at Prestige Motorsports, you have the ultimate turnkey package, and it makes everything super simple. How's it work?
Well, as you see here, everything from radiator to the fuel system and anything in between, we have you covered.
So why does this make things more efficient for me, and why does the ultimate turnkey package make things more affordable as well?
It takes the guesswork out of it. We've figured out what pulley stacks fit with what radiator and fan combinations to properly cool the beast that you purchase, selecting the proper transmission and fuel system, along with headers to fit the chassis. As far as price standpoint, it can save time and hassle searching those parts out, as well as save money on shipping, because instead of multiple packages, all of this is going to come in one crate.
How does the process work? Am I just going and saying, I want this combination? Or, you know, if I've got a vehicle, what do I do?
If you have a vehicle, you have this dream and passion for X crate engine, and you know you need all of this, we'll start with what core engine long block that you would desire, based on power usually, and characteristic of drivability, and then lead into fuel and ignition, the pulleys and accessories. You want air conditioning, be comfortable, power steering, obviously select a radiator that's going to properly fit and cool. And then, are you an automatic or a manual transmission guy? You like to pull gears, then obviously American Powertrain, they provide the 5 and 6 speeds for us, the fuel delivery, and the header and exhaust system. So we pretty much cover everything on the drivetrain side.
How do I know that you know this is all going to work together?
We have obviously the engine dyno to test and confirm and verify everything as far as the engine's concerned, so it's a hassle-free installation. We have a vehicle installation center that also performs all of the installations. So we've done some medium to very high-end builds, and we've used that as an educational purpose to properly select these packages to benefit you.
Now, when folks just buy a crate motor, they're trying to Frankenstein everything together and get the parts. What are some of the problems they may come back to you with if they don't buy the ultimate turnkey package?
Could be that they've selected a pulley system based specifically on style, really didn't take into consideration fitment, and so then they're asking the question of what radiator can I use or what fans can I use? That's probably one of the most common, outside of other general mistakes on fuel and ignition requirements and things of that nature.
What's the education process like, telling guys that have been doing this for a long time that this is a better way to go?
Well, again, it takes that guesswork out. We've done a lot of these installation of these packages, so we can guarantee we know that it's going to fit. And for some of the, we'll say, older school guys out there, maybe fuel injection is not necessarily their thing. So you've been doing it 20 years, but in the last 5, it's changed a lot. So we try to stay on that leading edge of the technology.
Let's talk about this specific package. Obviously, a Chevrolet LS motor here.
So we cover a wide variety: small block, big block Chevrolet, small block, big block Ford, small block, big block Chrysler. We do the new Coyotes, Gen 3 Hemis, and then the LS and LT. So this being an LS, this is actually a 408, so it's a stroker. We primarily specialize in the strokers. Everything that we do is really a personalized approach for you. Something like this Borla induction on top, it's beautiful. If that's what you desire, obviously that's what we'll provide. Pulley systems, multiple companies, we pretty much have a program with everybody. And then radiators, transmissions, fuel systems.
Your service is amazing at Prestige. You're able to pick all the pieces and parts that are going to work for my vehicle. But once you drop this entire crate off at my house, the service doesn't stop there, does it?
No, and it didn't stop after we received your money either. So we provide automatic updates, photos, images, dyno videos, build sheets. Everything's uploaded as it happens to keep that customer in the loop. After the sale, obviously, we do remote tuning services, diagnostic services, initial startup. We have lots of documentation and videos to help educate the consumer on how to properly install this entire package, and you can always lean on us with a simple phone call.
And then what if something does go wrong down the road? What kind of warranty do you offer?
No hassle, 3 years, unlimited miles.
You can find the engine and the entire drivetrain that is personalized for you and tailored to your ride. Go to prestigemoto.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so come on back.